All right, you guys, here on this firecracker. Oh, I finally got lost the name for it. But anyway, yeah. I got all three, the ultra spin, the double up, and the extra spin. Yes. And I've been playing it already. Got the bonus. Roll with me. Let's get it. Here we go. Come on. See if we can get something big. Like a major. Come on. I seen that bonus up top. Come on. Oh, really? Oh, come on. I seen something. Come on. Bottom. Ah, bottom's over. What happened to my birdie? There we go. Come on. Come on, birdie. That extra double up. Ah, come on. Come on. Drop it. Really? All right. No problem. I think I brought it up to 100. Started with 50.
I got all mine. One more.
Yes.
I need one more. One good.
Got it. I bust them all. Remember, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. KingCaliSlots, baby. Peace, love, and prosperity. And as always, it ain't what you came with, but rather what you leave with. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Swing. Oh yeah, KingCaliSlots, baby. Yes. Okay, let me do a couple of more backup spins. If it goes, it goes. I ain't trying to chase it no more. One more. All right. One more. All right. Peace, you guys. Don't forget to tune in. Give me some likey likes. KingCaliSlots, man.